What if you could grow your Instagram while you sleep? Most creators are burnt out, spending 5 hours a day designing, writing captions, and replying to DMs. But the top 1% have a secret. They aren't working harder. They've built an AI machine that does the work for them. Today, I'm showing you the 5 tools that will turn your Instagram from a full-time job into a passive growth engine. Welcome back to Social Growth Blueprint. In our last video, we talked about why you don't need a team to go viral. Today, we're getting practical. We're going to look at 5 specific AI tools that automate the hardest parts of Instagram, from content creation to engagement. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step toolkit to reclaim your time and scale your account to thousands of followers without the manual hustle. Let's dive into tool number 1. The biggest killer of growth is missing the window of engagement. When someone comments on your post, the Instagram algorithm wants to see you interact times now. But you can't be on your phone 24/7. This is where ManyChat comes in. ManyChat is an AI-powered automation tool that handles your DMs and comments instantly. Imagine someone comments the word blueprint on your reel. Instead of you manually messaging them, ManyChat instantly sends them a link to your digital product or a helpful resource. It turns every comment into a potential sale or lead while you're busy doing other things. It's not just a bot, it's a customer service team that never sleeps. The number one reason creators quit is content fatigue. Coming up with ideas, designing the graphics, and writing the captions is exhausting. Predis.ai is the answer to this. You simply give it a one-sentence prompt about your niche, and it generates a complete post, the graphic, the caption, and the hashtags. It even suggests the best time to post based on your audience's activity. It's like having a social media manager and a graphic designer in one app. For a faceless channel, this is your secret weapon. You can generate a whole week of high-quality content in less than 10 minutes. You can have the best content in the world, but if the right people don't see it, it's useless. Flick is an AI hashtag and analytics tool that removes the guesswork from your strategy. Instead of guessing which hashtags will work, Flick's AI analyzes your account and suggests rankable hashtags that actually get your content onto the Explore page. It also provides a brainstorming feature, where the AI helps you turn a single idea into 10 different viral content pillars. Growth isn't luck, it's data. Flick gives you that data in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to use. We've talked about Canva before, but their new Magic Studio is a game changer for Instagram automation. Features like Magic Switch allow you to turn one YouTube video into 10 Instagram Reels with one click. The Magic Expand feature can fix photos that don't fit the 9:16 portrait ratio, and the Magic Grab allows you to move objects within a photo as if they were layers. For a faceless creator, this means you can take simple stock images and turn them into professional-grade brand assets without ever needing to learn Photoshop. Your brand's aesthetic is what builds trust, and Canva Magic Studio ensures that trust is built on every single slide. Reels are the fastest way to grow on Instagram right now, but editing them can take hours. CapCut's AI features are designed specifically for viral short-form content. Their auto captions feature is incredibly accurate and adds those high-energy captions you see on viral videos. But the real magic is the AI script-to-video tool. You give it a script, and it finds relevant stock footage and syncs it to a voiceover for you. It takes the most technical part of being a creator video editing and makes it as simple as sending an email. If you want to go viral, you need to be posting reels, and CapCut is the fastest way to get them done. Automation isn't about being lazy, it's about being effective. It's about spending your energy on the big ideas while the AI handles the repetitive tasks. Which of these 5 tools are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions on how to set them up, ask away. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like this video if you're ready to start working smarter, and subscribe to the Social Growth Blueprint for more deep dives into the tools that will build your digital empire. Check the description for links to all the tools we mentioned today. Remember, the best time to automate was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Get started, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll show you how to script an entire month of content in just 1 hour using ChatGPT. See you then.